Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Here, we'll be sharing everything you need to know about Klapp professional treatments for spas, salons, and beauticians. We'll dive into product knowledge and guide you through each treatment step by step. Today, we're diving into how to use the Klapp C Pure Infusion treatment. While vitamin C might seem like a basic ingredient, it holds an irreplaceable spot in the skincare world. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that boosts collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the skin's structure. Collagen is the most important protein in your skin, keeping it plump, firm, and elastic. This helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. Another incredible benefit of vitamin C is its ability to target pigmentation and dark spots, brightening your complexion and leaving your skin with a soft, radiant glow. It works by inhibiting tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for pigment formation, helping to even out your skin tone. Let's begin the treatment by cleansing the skin. The first step is the peel. Start by mixing the vitamin C essential powder, which is 100% vitamin C, with the enzyme peel ampule. The ampule contains bromelain and natural extracts such as magnolia, willow bark, grapefruit, and green tea, along with a vitamin complex made up of A, E, H, and F. This combination provides powerful exfoliation along with the benefits of vitamin C. Mix both contents thoroughly, then apply evenly to the skin, avoiding the eye area. Massage it in for 3 to 5 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, apply the entire enzyme ampule first, then sprinkle half, or less, of the vitamin C powder onto the skin and massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, follow up with the Skin Neutralizer Ampule. This product neutralizes the skin's pH and replaces water to help remove the enzyme peel mixture. It also hydrates and provides regenerative nutrients. With a pH of 5 to 6, it's safe for all skin types. Use a brush to apply the neutralizer and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, remove it with a warm, wet towel. For step 3, we'll use the C Pure Mask treatment. The mask powder contains dry frozen vitamin C and allantoin. Mix this with the serum ampule, which contains aloe vera and panthenol. Mix both ingredients well inside the mask container, then apply it to moist skin. Let it sit until the skin feels tight and dry. Remove the mask with a warm, wet towel. In step 4, we use the concentrate ampule. This contains bromelain, panthenol, vitamin C, a vitamin complex, A, E, F, and H, and natural extracts such as magnolia, willow bark, and grapefruit. It helps bind moisture to the skin, providing strong anti-aging and replenishing effects. Apply this ampule directly to the skin for deep hydration and rejuvenation. Finally, we finish with the relaxing cream. This rich cream is packed with valuable plant oils, moisturizers, and vitamins that restore the skin's moisture balance and protect it from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Gently massage the cream into the skin for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to fully absorb and leave your skin feeling nourished and glowing. And that's it. Your skin will feel revitalized, deeply hydrated, and glowing with the benefits of vitamin C. The C Infusion is an anti-aging treatment for salon and esthetician use. We recommend a series of 6 treatments, spaced 2 weeks apart, followed by monthly maintenance sessions. This powerful antioxidant treatment features 100% pure vitamin C powder, applied in its pure form during the session to preserve its potency and effectiveness. After treatment, we recommend sending your clients home with C Pure Fluid, ideal for combination to oily skin, and C Pure Cream Complete, which is designed for dry skin. For a weekly boost, C Pure ampules are perfect for use during the 2-week intervals between treatments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any thoughts or questions, and check out the videos on screen for more. See you in the next one.